What's good, YouTube? It's Rob back with another video. I have here the Moto Z3 Play, and I have a case. Tudia, thank you Tudia for sending me out your heavy duty merged extreme protection rugged slim layer case for the Motorola Z3 Play in matte black. Now this dual layer design fuses a premium quality carbonated outer layer with an enhanced thermoplastic TPU or thermoplastic polyurethane rubberized gel skin to offer a slim but lightweight form-fitting protection for the Moto Z3 Play. Now it does have a snap-on design that allows for easy installation. It does come in multiple colors. You got the gray, mint green, and rose gold or pink, depending on how you feel in that day. Does utilize both layers to incorporate safety advantages that other cases just don't have. Does have a precision cuts for all the opening, well, the opening, and the microphone hole. And it does have a nice little cutout for the fingerprint sensor. And one thing I would advise anybody with these type of cases with a cutout and a fingerprint sensor on the side is to make another fingerprint with the case on. Meaning do a third or your fourth or whatever, how many fingerprints you got, or your second one. Set one up with your favorite case on it to help with your phone cutting on and you not becoming frustrated with the case. The buttons are tactile, nice and spongy, no problem at all. The camera has a recess protection around it, so you don't have to worry about it. You can lay it flat down without any problems, and it does have enough lip where you can lay it face down. This case is $8.95. I will leave the links to everything down below. If you have any questions about this really sweet Tudia case for the Moto Z3 Play, leave them down below. Other than that, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.